3D printed gauge pots in your air vents. You always wanted to put gauges in your Volvo. More specifically, in your Volvo S70 V70 C70 and V70 Cross Country. With this kind of vents. But you didn't know how to. You didn't want to mess up your A-pillar or your dash. Here is a fully reversible solution. I will show you how you can get the vents out, how to disassemble them, how to put the gauge pots in the vents, and how to put the gauges in the gauge pots. And then how to put it back in your dash. And how you can order the gauge pots. The only thing I won't cover is the cable management, because I don't mess with electricity, especially in a car. But I'm sure there is someone around you who can help you with that. First, subscribe. Second, how can you get the gauge pots? You can buy them from me through eBay. There are 6 versions. Left-hand drive left, left-hand drive center left, left-hand drive center right, right-hand drive right, right-hand drive center right, and right-hand drive center left. All the versions are different in angle and in hole position. That's why there are 6 versions. After you order, I will send you a message asking you which one do you prefer. I usually have some produced, but not always, so the dispatch time is 5 days. I will tell this at the end of the video just in case. First, I had to design and 3D print the gauge pot, so you don't have to. Now you have to get the vent out from the dash. Just use a dedicated tool, like I do, like this, and you can take it out easily. Now you have to take the vent apart. Rotate it so you can see the back. Get a small screwdriver and pop the horizontal plastic on the back. On each point it's connected to the vertical vents. Now get the vertical fins out, lay them out, starting from the top. Now remove the horizontal fins. Don't start to get them out one by one. You can take the whole thing out in one piece. There are 4 points where it's secured. With the same 4 points, the gauge pod will be secured. Just reach in between the thing holding the horizontal fins and the outer plastic and play a bit with the screwdriver. Now get the horizontal fins out together. Watch for the direction of the fins. They should be horizontal, so they come out easily. If they are down or up, they are gonna get stuck. Now you can put the gauge pod in. Just slide it in and push it parallelly until it clicks. and then the other in case if you order the pair. And now you can put the gauge in. The gauge pod is designed for standard 52mm gauges. Before you put it in directly, I sent you these. These are adapter rings, 10mm, so it pushes a bit away from the gauge pod. It looks really good if it's deeply in the gauge pod, but it's much easier to live with it with this ring. If you put this ring on before putting it in the pod, like this, it lets the opening closing mechanism work. And you can also have a grab on it if you want to pull it out. If it's not on it, then it's gonna be hard. Now get the gauge out from the pod and put the vent back in the dash. You just push it until it goes back in its place. Now comes the cable part, which I'm not an expert at. But if there is high demand, I can make a video about it. And this is how it looks. So how can you get them again? You can buy them from me through eBay. There are 6 versions, as I told you at the beginning. 3 for left-hand drive and 3 for right-hand drive cars. The angle and the position of the hole is different on all of them, that's why there are 6 of them. After you order, I will send you a message which one do you prefer. Dispatch time is 5 days, the whole shipping time is about 2-3 weeks. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. The link for the eBay listing is in the description. Check the description for the links. Bye!